Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here, and today in this program we're going to talk about how to start a project. First of all, we'll discuss about what is the project, and we'll step by step share with you the different tips and tricks, different ideas, how to start a project, how to make it successful, what are the challenges to start a project, and what is project management. Nowadays, it is really important to know about project, because now one of the major specialization is in the project management or in the field of how to start a project. When we talk about any project assignment and work, that is particular project assignment and work that you're going to be established by individually self or simultaneously you have the team of the peoples, like 5 people, 10 people, 20 people or 100 people. So when you're trying to make your project successful, what are the hurdles you guys are facing it, and how to overcome or cope with these sort of the situation, these sort of the challenges, these sort of the hurdles. So everybody just know about your motivation in your belief is one of the key factors to make you successful at any particular place. Either it's a business, either it's a communication skills, either it's your presentations or penetration of your business. So definitely, if we just see in this particular world, when persons trying to start any business, trying to start any project, trying to start any assignment, any task, he or she face some certain sort of the challenges, because you are trying to predict something about the success, about success story of your business, of your project, of your assignment. So you can predict a simultaneously situation to 99%, but you cannot predict accurately 100%, because we are not perfect about to predict something 100% sure about, because some particular circumstances can influence our task or situation, and with that ultimately you can not able to control certain sort of the stuff. So here we are just going to share the process how to start a project and how to cope with this sort of the challenge and hurdle, and how to make it with your brain drain ideas, your technical skill, your management skill, your time management skill, and all other expertise. So project management, or how to start a project, there is a one cycle process. So when you're trying to start any sort of the project, for example, you have any your own business, or you are working somewhere as the project development manager, are you working as a group head of project development, and you want to start a project, or you are trying to supervise some sort of the project. So you just need to oversee, or you just need to implement, or you just need to develop that particular strategies step by step how to make successful your project. So in project management, how to start the project, first you need to know about what type of the project you're going to start it. Either is the assignment, either is the task, either is going to launch a product, or either is going to start some strategies. So first you make a particular or rational decisions about the project, that the project that you're going to start it, the assignment or the roles that you take to adapt it, that is really related to your experience, your expertise. So if you haven't any sort of experience and expertise, you can hire most intelligent expert or peoples outside from your organization, but don't take any risk to start any project without expertise and without taking external advices or external services. So third major step is same like to climb on the mountains. You ever try to saw about the peoples who are climbing on the mountain? I mean, some people's who you think about, this is some kind of the shocking that how people climb on the Mount Everest. This is one of the biggest and tallest mountain of the world, and second is the Keru, second tallest, longest mountain of the world. So how people climb on it? Because they don't continue their work, they don't let their patience to decline, they don't let their fears to overcome your safeguard. You know, one of the major factor is inside your personality is your confidence, is your belief, is your motivation. One thing is also available inside your body is called body safeguard, and we must call it body booster. So when you are boosting in yourself, that boosts your motivation, that boosts your passion, and that make you more secure to take your decisions with rationality, to take their decisions with confidence, and ultimately success pave your way toward your destination. So this is also called the belief. I have implement these techniques in my many project, and ultimately I face little challenges in it, but ultimately I get success in my project. So you can implement these sort of the strategies, and after that you can do it. So after the third phase, first is to the bottom. On the bottom you made rational decisions, you use your expertise or other steps to start a project. And second is to the climbing phase, and third is to the boom phase. Boom is something when you are 99% getting the achievement of your predictions, of your ideas, and ultimately 99% either is the profit, either is the work efficiency, either is the productions, or either is the outcome of your project. You are start taking advantage of 99%. So lots of people, they become unaware about it because they think that they already have achieved their target. So this is not one of the right way. One research has been conducted, and more than 70% people believe on it. When they reach on the boom, they just don't much concentration, they lose their concentration to continue their work. What is the reason behind it? Because they just believe on that particular thing that they have completed their task. Now they no need more concentration, now they need no more passion, no more energy to make it more successful. So when they let their projects to work by self, and they just ignore about their particular strategy, so this cycle is going to start towards the decline, and it come on the bottoms. So if you want to continue more longer to your boom phase, you have to be concentrate on your project. You need to be more aware about it. So in some case, you know, we not 100% perfect about something. So in some case, if you just lose something, you shouldn't be this hard on it. You should not be lose your motivation, because in some particular project you have decided to complete it, but you're not able to get your boom phase, and it decline and you come on the bottom. So this is some particular thing, because research showing that more than 50% people just quit their job, just quit their project, just quit their business when they think that they start any project, and before reaching to the success, they decline and they come on the bottom. So in this particular situation, they should parallelly or simultaneously need to know what was the failures, that flaw in their project, and what expertise they gain it, so that they again start their project, they again recycle their project with more expertise, with more energies, with more motivation, so that they reach to the success, they reach to the boom phase, and they don't let their project, their assignment, their task to decline and come on the bottom. So if you guys not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button. Me and my team will try our best to share best knowledgeable thing, best videos, best expertise, best ideas, best tutorials with you people, so that you people enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share our videos with other peoples. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.